What is going on, everyone? It is your guy Tommy MM here, back with another video on the channel. And if you're wondering why I'm talking quiet, it is because it is late and I am tired. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Discord server from scratch. So I'm gonna teach you how to make it like a quality one. It's not the best ever, but you know, it's decent. So yeah. So like Vess wants to know how, because I am a mod in his server. So if you ever have a server that needs a little bit of help, just make me a mod, alright? So I'm not gonna start from template, I'm gonna start from scratch. It's gonna be for, let's just skip the question here. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna name it test server. Alright, just gonna have that, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna create the server. I'm not gonna share it with anyone yet. So yeah, they are spamming me up right now, which I do not really like, but you know. Alright, first thing you guys are gonna wanna do is add in some stuff. Alright, so wanna go here, go to, you can just type in Discord bots. This is gonna be a longer video, or you could just go to top.gg, you know. So first thing you're gonna want to do, guys, always get me6. If there's no commentary, then I'm just like focusing. Yeah. So this is just a pretty solid Discord server that we're about to make. Alright, so usually in my Discord servers I do not have a self-promote, but oh dang it, dude. I think I don't have to, you know, it's not gonna show my password, so that's good. Alright, we're gonna add it to our test server. Let's go. Alright, so add it to the test server, manage everything. You're gonna do the bot thing, tractors. Yeah, there might not be that much commentary, but definitely go work on it here. Alright, now you can go to welcome. I'm not really set up any custom commands. That gets a little hard, but send a message when a user joins. We are not actually gonna do that yet. We are gonna come back to that. So I basically base it off this one. So welcome and goodbye is gonna be your first one here. Where is it at? I am in so many Discord servers, dude. Alright, there you go. So basically, I am gonna delete this stuff. You should probably do this when you start one. Unless you're just making a basic one. Then, you know. Yeah. I don't really know why I messed with the buy rate. I have no clue, but it's not gonna matter because we're deleting it. Wow, can I delete it? Like, seriously. I don't know what I'm doing. So I hope this video does help you guys out, but, alright. Welcome and goodbye is our first one. So do all caps, welcome and goodbye. Not a private. Alright, so can't really edit anything with these, so actually, yeah, you can. Manage permissions, no. Create invite, yes. Send messages, bed links, attach files, reactions, emojis. Don't want to do that. It does that sometimes, and it's gonna do that a lot in this video. I'm so sorry. Alright, so you don't want to do any of these. Voice channel permissions isn't really a voice channel, but yes, you can connect, you can speak, you can activity. Can't mute other members, can't deafen members, can't move members. I don't know what that stuff is. So yeah, there's your first one. You can also make rules, but you know, you don't really have to do that yet. And wow, I'm getting spammed right now, seriously. I'm gonna make the rules though, so. Never mind. I'll do that when I set up Me6, but I don't know, dude. This is gonna be a long video. So I basically just copy and paste the server, but it's a pretty nice server, so don't really have to worry about that. So, alright, so there's a welcome. Alright, so I don't have send messages on. Do I know? I can't attach files. I forgot that this, yeah, you can't really do that. Manage permissions, no. Attach files. You can use reactions, that's completely fine. It's not really a voice channel, so you don't have to do that. Alright, so welcome. It's gonna be a wave emoji. Welcome. This might be a little cringe for you guys to watch because I'm talking so quiet, but you know, mobile gaming does it, so I'm all good. Shout out to mobile gaming, guys. Alright, so it looks like we already have that done. So you want to do sad emoji for goodbye. Because you know it's sad if someone leaves. You don't want anyone to leave your Discord server, you know what I mean? It's always gonna happen, so. Yeah, so it has the same exact thing, so I guess it's better for that. I'm actually not gonna put a self-promote, so basically, alright, yeah, so like then you go to, you can put like rules and info and rules and stuff, but I'm not really gonna put that in this one. So there's a chat right there. Yeah. So you want to get the chat done. Alright, capital letters. Alright, there you go. I'm not gonna show you like everything, but general, I want to do the world. General. Yeah, I set up this Discord server, set up that one, I set up this one. This one doesn't have a voice channel yet. I mean, it has a collabs one, but, you know. So, like, yeah, for chat, I'm just gonna put general. You guys kind of get the thing, you know. So, once again, what you want to do, once you get, like, a general chat, so what you want to do view channel, check, man channel, X, plus, you know, that. Sorry, I'm not thinking right. No links, don't do links. I mean, you can do links if you're doing GIFs, but like, yeah. Attach files, you can do that. Add reactions, use the eternal emojis, basically the same thing. Can't manage anything, you don't want that. You don't want any of that either, so. Sorry, sometimes you have to spam that for me. Alright, there you go. Then there's general, so you know. There's like, you know, play together, and then there's the music and the voice channels. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you how to do the music, and then it's actually gonna be it for the video. Kind of a longer video. I don't know how long I've been recording so far, but just want to do music, I guess. I think that's what I did for this. Yeah, so song requests and the music. So for the music one, oh, you're just gonna do song requests actually. Type in music. Yeah, then do that. Song requests. I think that's good. Then you're finna want to do this. Go, yeah. You know, you don't want to do any of this. Alright, create invite is okay. Send messages, you can't. Oh, yeah. No links, files, reactions, you know, all of that stuff. you can read message history, you know, that's not really a big deal there. Alright, yeah, that looks good. So then there's song requests and then voice channel. Alright, this will be the final thing of the video here. Alright, so it doesn't actually have the thing, so just for doing that, so like sometimes if it doesn't show up, just put the thing. I like to do that. It just looks better, honestly, for me. But for the voice channels, for music, this is definitely what you're gonna do. Alright, view channel. Don't manage channel. Don't manage permissions. Create invite, yes. Connect, speak, video, voice activity. Yeah, so you can do that. Mute, deafen, move. You don't want to do that, and that's basically it, boys. If I join a call, it'll end the video. So, I mean, you guys can basically join this Discord server. It is an insane, like, a Discord server, but it's for, like, Brawl Stars, so. If you guys did enjoy the video, also, yeah, I didn't show you how to set Me 6. Alright, we'll set Me 6 for you guys. But we're gonna get Me 6 there. There we go. Alright, so what you're gonna want to do, select one and welcome. You can just do that, a welcome message. I would do that. I recommend that. You don't really have to do any of that stuff, but yeah, you don't have to do that. I wouldn't send a private message. Give role to users. Definitely gonna want to do that. Definitely. Gotta add member. All right, always. They are literally blowing my phone up, guys. Holy cow. All right, roles. New role. Turn it into member. Just do like that. Color, I guess. Create new role. Shows up there. I don't know what this stuff is. I've never actually done that before. Add members. Finish. There you go. So you have that now. You want to give it to them. Alright, when someone leaves the server, you want to do that too. Goodbye will be in, obviously, goodbye. Alright, and that, just save that. Anyone that comes in the server will get the member thing. But we can also add in dank meme. So like this is basically a waste of time for me. It doesn't really, it's kind of just a waste of time for me, but I do want to show you guys how to do this stuff. So test server, you know, let's do that. I don't really care about that stuff. Alright, crosswalks. I hate these. Alright, see, look at that. And then on welcome, it's pretty cool. Also, guys, I recommend adding Craig if you're gonna do like collabs and stuff. Also recommend getting like a king role for like the for you, then a mod role for bots. Definitely recommend adding in a marriage bot, dude. That is an insane bot. But that is basically it for the video, guys. I hope you did enjoy. This is how you make a Discord server. If I didn't show you anything, just DM me. Say, hey, Tommy, can you teach me how to make one? I will teach you how to make one personally. But I'll see you guys in the next video.